In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 119 by 7 using the long division method. Now see that 1 is less than 7. That is why we will consider the number 11. And we know that 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 7. That is why we will bring down this number 9 here. And we know that 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 119 divided by 7 is equal to 17. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.